Today we're visiting Area 15 in Las Vegas, a giant interactive art installation, and the main attraction is the OMEGA MART, a giant supermarket on acid. The whole place has a vibe of a 1980s mall, with an arcade upstairs too.
No. Alright, we're inside. We're inside the OMEGA MART.
Yes, we're so amazed by this place. It looks like a real supermarket. Do you want to buy some bleach, babe? Oh, wow, everything's up. Not for sale.
Everything is sort of a mock-up making fun of actual products. Smirk, ramen notes. Everything is for purchase too. It's actually bubblegum and candy that you can have. Want some gum? Most of the items on the shelves you can literally take off and go buy it at the at the register. This meat market, it's super creepy. The amount of detail put into each piece of meat and sausage and link is kind of creepy, and it's all like related to some form of iconic pop cultural reference.
Are glitching.
Every once in a while, this would happen. The whole place is interactive. You can do this whole thing 3 times in a row and still miss stuff. Every cooler you have to double check. It could lead to a tunnel. Every door leads to something unexpected. And when I mean unexpected, I mean stuff like this. Random rooms of replicating the inside of an old 1980s house. You can play with the radio when it receives messages. You can do anything with anything you see here. It's insanity. It's almost like an even more demented version of Alice in Wonderland.
This is so cool.
The whole experience is visual overload. Prepare yourself to pretty much spend the whole day, or at least give it a half a day, to just walk around on this visual feast. It kind of feels like it's never ending. Like I tell you, you can do this 2-3 times in a row and still miss something.
Tina, you better not fall on me.
I'm trying not to. I'm really not in that funny person.
This is crazy.
Oh my god, he's going.
I don't know how this is a safety, not a safety issue.
I'm
Don't tell me we're stuck up here. Oh, there's a door.
There's a door. We have to knock.
That's the door that they were talking about.
We made
Oh,
it.
that was great.